their homework.
I took a page out of your book.
My book is fucking Ulysses. Plenty of pages to spare.
For the first day or so, I was racking my brain trying to figure out how you and Paz pull off your con. And then I realized Paz isn't in on it. He actually believes he has a mystical gift, which means he won't con artist. Is he?
I like to think that our background checks are photos which you are well aware, helping our clients with inside checks.
Oh, the justification of misdeeds.
And I hope you pay that with it. Do you want to know why I had to make false advertising claims? To appease the client. Because every client wants you to promise that their product will solve all their consumer problems. But it can't. A tube of toothpaste cannot fill the hole in someone's soul.
It's a good
A good one. One who can hold through the room with wisdom, has a natural affinity with people, carries a certain moral flexibility, not unlike my own. A frown.
but no thanks. Find some other sucker you can try to manipulate.
I'm not looking for a sucker. I'm looking for a partner.
I've made some dubious partnerships in my life.
You have a singular talent, Mr. Hamilton. It is a shame you're not going to use it.
Sorry. I'm nobody's product.
You would rather fail in this shitty world with clients who cannot afford your services than reach for the stars. I'm sure I do not have to remind you of the price on a ticket to one of Paz's retreats. For when you change your mind. It is time for another episode of What's Happening with Carly.
So he's still experiencing insomnia.
Well, not if you ask him. I'm seeing all the signs. And ever since we got back, and I hate to say it, but he is actually kind of funny.
That's terrifying.
He is. Here's the thing. Charlie always plays his cards close to the vest.
The late stuff.
Yeah.
Never been?
No. Really? Oh, it's a take you.
Doesn't sound very kid friendly.
Oh. Back in my day, it wasn't, but now it's like fucking Disneyland in the desert.
I know you've really teased about you out in the past.
Well, the thing is, he's always given me a peek at the cards, but now it's like I don't even know who he is.
My ex was a bit like that. Suppose it's one of the reasons we split up. I don't mean to imply
No,
that.
it's funny. We haven't split up. I think we're gonna go long.
It's good.
Yeah. You never talk about your ex. Not much to talk about. And relationships are complicated. Oh, shit. Oof.
How's me?
Better. Thanks for asking.
Well, Mrs. Marks has a message for you. She hasn't talked to the council yet on your behalf, but she has had a phone with Carter and wants not allowed to come back to her dojo as a sign of defeat.
Baby. Hey, sweetheart. Welcome back. Treat.
Going for a walk.
Hey.
Hey,
Just hanging out at your dad's lawn?
I'm more like hiding from my evil mother-in-law.
working at my dad's now?
Helping my dad with his new shop.
Let me guess. You're a psychic too.
Well, I'm just stupid, man.
Mhm.
I can give you free readings. You like that?
Damn right. I know you must be up to nothing. It's the whole of your sad, pathetic life depended on it. Now get your black ass out of here before I call the cops. Crazy old man. Hey, you touch it, you bought it.
I'm no Warren Buffett, but business looks good to me.
Tenants are paying their rent.
With any luck, I'll fucking case you. Then we could legally evict that miserable racist cocksucker.
Is it all fuck? Generation.
I'll make it right though.
Can't teach an old dog new tricks. And he's an old dog. It's time to celebrate.
I thought you were laying off too long.
Man, I get to be a dad again. Ma is letting Mama come back to that dojo.
You know what? There's such a shock in the country against
I'm getting out of this little Karma's working for me, so I'm paying for it. Time to be a better man.
I understand. He's a technology officer. He was higher up fast. So new beginning, and be a better man.
Better man.
I could ask, are you listening? But what seems more appropriate is, are you serious? You should read it before judging my character. And what a cover it is. You selling them to a client?
My clients, they're interested in yes.
How much more per month?
I help with 60%.
There's a woman I know in Rome.
I could do less if you prefer.
I was thinking that 60% was actually reasonable. How about 80?
How about you run your shop? I'm sorry. I'm not mad. I'm worried. Charlie. This is too much going on.
They're gone. They're gone.
They're gone.
Yeah.
Your vision, please?
I haven't had one in weeks.
Sense of retreat.
Maybe, I guess.
Since past.
I can't be that sure.
to do the honors?
I think he will.
Give your morning a little boost with your morning favorites made mini. All the flavors you love, turned bite-sized and ready to go when you are.
No swerve, no play, no trouble. I like the heck out of him. I think you will too.
It's Nutrisystem for Men. Save 50% off a month of food and 50% off a month of shakes delivered to your door. Go online or call 888-621-THIN to save 50% on a month of food and shakes.
The last time I had a big thing was about 3 years ago when I ended all that and started my relationship with Chime. Banking with Chime and it's super easy. It's been such a wonderful experience. I don't even know what it feels like to be screwed by a bank fee. I'm thinking back and I'm just like, I try to suppress those dark days. Obviously, early payday, it's great. I don't have to worry about where my money is and if it's in good hands or not. Download the Chime app today.
Adele, I'm so proud of you. The scripture said that it's rare for civilization to skip an entire book. She never ceases to amaze. Adele's mother's employed me. What's that? Jabi.
Mr. Cajun. Yes, sir. I'll come straight over. I'll take a look. Yes, right now.
Agent's landline still fucked. Puzzle. Okay. All that talk last night about being better men inspired me. It's nice for him to mediate, pay it forward, keep that devil with good karma going. Sure. You bet. Don't worry. I got this.
This used to be a nice, respectable neighborhood. Now it's filled with a realm of immigrants, homos, and deadbeats. That dumb shit your gypsy boyfriend said didn't do fuck all. The hell you think you could do? You know, Alexander Graham Bell, a goddamn American, invented the telephone. What the hell am I stuck with here? Sturgeon Sanchez for TJ trying to fix mine.
As a matter of fact, my son was just learning about Alexander Graham Bell in school. I think he said the man was born in Scotland and later emigrated. At least he was from
Oaxaca.
I have to go get my toolbox in my office to get into this check. I'll be back after my son's just for the record, I'm from East LA. What's wrong? The Cajun and I had a little dispute. It's okay. Just got a bit of a headache. You assaulted a tenant. He threw the shit out of you. I had no choice. He assaulted my tenant. Calm and be damned.
Finish your lecture. I'm okay. I was doing shit. I killed 5 beastie sons of bitches with my bare hands. I was goddamn falling into illegal immigrant. Attacked me in my own shop. Jimmy!
And there is a saying. Take no thought of who is right, who is wrong.
No, fuck that.
What do you do?
Calling the cops. I'm calling the first number 16.
You work this out.
No, fuck you.
Come on, give it to me. No. Give me that. He's dead.
You fucked up.
So did you. So now what?
The fuck? The belts are real. Shit, kids are out there.
No shit, this is not good. What are we gonna do? Hide him. He's bleeding out. We're not gonna be able to clean it up in time.
I got an idea.
Wesley. Mateo. Lala. Nice one. Not bad, all things considered. Preston. Sophia.
Use this car to get rid of that fucker.
Tresor.
We are on a mission to make the United States of America the safest country in the world. It is an audacious goal. But since when in our country do we shy away from what is hard, what is difficult, and what is impossible? We are Americans. The world is going to change more in the next 10 years than the last 100 years combined. Because we, together, are going to change it.
Excuse me? Excuse me. What year is it, please? It's the 1790. Run for your life! Thank you. Oh, sorry. Oh, I just remembered. Pompeii was destroyed in 79 AD, by the way.
What's the volcano called?
Volcano.
Alexa, volcano destroyed my bay.
Mount Vesuvius.
Mount Vesuvius. For real.
Nicorette knows quitting smoking is freaking hard. You get advice like, try hypnosis. Or quit cold turkey. Instead, start small with Nicorette, which can lead to something big. Start stopping with Nicorette.
entertainment like Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Plus. The Galaxy S21 Plus 5G when you buy one, only from Verizon.
My car. My car. Not your car.
Jules has been working through your face in his class.
As promised.
What's this?
My weekly contribution. Actually, it's last week's. I promise I'll have this week's very short.
Your lady friend came by yesterday and paid her that.
My lady friend.
The foreigner. She said you'd understand.
Oh, right.
So, how does it feel to be a free man?
Great. Thank you, Cynthia.
Oh, please, no bullshit. See you around. Gotcha.
You're returning my calls.
You did more to my phone than just hack into it. Some kind of app or bot.
Indeed. I'm on my way to a store now, actually, to discuss next steps.
I'm afraid I won't be seeing you. And your grand gesture doesn't change a thing. I will be paying you back.
What, all of it? I understand that's a small fortune to you. To me, it's just a drop in a bucket. A bucket you and I can fill together.
And like I told you, I'm done carrying other people's water. Can I have the room, please? This is the machine that's been investigating your family, the Rankos, and the other West Coast Roma crime families. A network of command centers, a dozen federal agents, and here's one of my favorite